पंचायत वाठारांतली कामां करतले, पंचायत नितळ दवरतले म्हूण वेचून आयिल्ले सरपंच उलयले।
माझी ही जी पंचायत घडल्या ती पीपल फ्रेंडली पंचायत आसतली इतकें तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता। जी कामां लोकांची आमी बिना शर्त आमी कामां करून दितले तेंची। तशेंच जे गार्बेजो इश्यू आसा तो सुटसुटीत करतले आमी। पर्वरी वाठाराचे जी ग्रीन आनी क्लीन पर्वरी आसा ती आमी पेंदा फ्रांस पंचायतीन सारकी सुटसुटीत करून दवरतले।
आमी कितें कामां आसा ती सगळीं आतां हातीन घेतली, सगळीं कामां करतली आनी जे कितें आमचे हेचो गार्बेजीचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तोय आमी आतां सगळे कामां करतली बेगीन।
मेर्शेत गुंडगिरी चलोवंक दिवचे ना म्हूण पंच प्रकाश नायक उलयलो।
आमी मेर्शेन गुंडागिरी खपोवन घेवचे ना, हे मेन इंटेंशन हांव लोकांक सांगता। कोण गुंडागिरी करता तांकां सांगता, मेर्शेन गुंडागिरी खपोवन घेवचे ना। आमी सगळे मेळोन ह्या गुंडागिरीच्या आळा घालपाचे आनी आमी स्पेशली ह्या गुंडागिरीक लागून आमी हेका IGP मेळपाचे आहा, होम मिनिस्टराक मेळपाचे आसा डायरेक्टली। आमकां गुंडागिरी नाका, आमचे मेर्शे हे शांत आसा आतां, हे आमकां शांतिकाय जाय आनी बरे भाशेन जाय।
I look forward for the development of the Nuvem village as a leader in combination with our punch members as a team that we work together for the welfare and the development of the Nuvem village. Secondly, in collaboration with my MLA and my other punch members, I will take into account the issues of the people's voices and other issues.
मिकी पाशेकोन मागिल्ल्या रिकाउंटिंगाचेर बेताळबाटीचो सरपंच उलयलो।
There is no question of recounting there because I got a lead of 101 votes. You know, a margin. I mean to say, my margin was 101 votes, and the people of Nagwado, you know, they right-thinking people, and the question of recounting, this was Magdalena, and this nothing a recounting. Kite mistake is shahamon even by sorting out or recounting. Now here the question is, the ballot box was one, and sorting out was done nicely, and recounting in ward number 1 was done 3 times. Okay, and kite stations apache, I think the question doesn't come.
So, but why you think now that ex-MLA has asked for recounting?
That is his problem.
आमदार विल्फ्रेड देसाई ह्या विशयाचेर उलयलो।
ते रिकाउंटिंग मागत ते आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन ते दीस जिकिलो, रिकाउंटिंग केलें, 1 पार्ट केलें, 2 पार्ट केलें आनी डिक्लेअर केलें। आनी आमगे वॉर्ड नंबर 1 रिकाउंटिंग मागोन 5 वोट आसलो ती 7 जाली आनी 2 एक्स्ट्रा मेळ्ळी। हांव नोना तो कित्याक अशें मागता आनी गोडी तो 5 वर्स देखून रिकाउंटिंग मागत रावत, सांगूंक जायना तेगेलें तो कितें करपाक शकता।
जुवारी नगरांत लोकां खातीर टॉयलेट उबारपाचो विचार सांकवाळच्या सरपंचान उलोवन दाखयलो।
The main problem is in Zuari Nagar regarding toilets and all. Means by it's a dream for me. By next 2018, 26 January, there should be more and more toilets. It's a dream for me. And we also we all members are doing one thing. We'll form a group of people from each and every ward and take suggestion from them what to do, what not to do. And with the help of that, we are going to plan everything. So I want all the members to cooperate with me and all the villagers also to cooperate with me.
First and foremost, I'm very happy that with the newly elected Panchayat body of Sancoale, and all of them are young, dynamic and eager to work, and I'm very sure they're going to do great work for the village. And I have already told them, let one of the first proposals that come from the Panchayat to the MLA of the constituency be related to the Panchayat Ghar. I think they need a proper place from where to function, and I have requested them to put their proposal in writing so that we can start in earnest with the project.
अंजुणे कायसू सरपंचाची निवड फुडें धुकल्ली। निर्वाचन अधिकारी दुयेंत जाल्ल्यान आनी ताच्या बदलाक येवपी दुसरो अधिकारी येयसर वगत जाल्ल्यान सरपंचाची वेंचणूक जावंक ना। मेळिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण थंयसर पॅट्रिक आल्मेदा सरपंच जावंक शकता। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।